Guys, I'm so excited. I got some new skincare products and they came from, I don't know how to say this. Is it Ceylon? I don't know, but it is a skincare set formulated for men of color, and I've been waiting on this for a very long time. The post office is so, you know what, I'm not even gonna go there, but yeah, I can't wait to try this later on tonight, so stay tuned. So I'm in my bathroom. So it's actually morning time and I'm getting ready to start my day. So I decided to go ahead and just grab it on out. It is the Ceylon, again, I don't know how to pronounce this. It may be Ceylon or Ceylon skincare set. It does come with three ingredients, three items. I'm still waking up, forgive me. It is the detoxifying facial wash. Then there is a toner. And then we also have a moisturizer. So all three are a part of the skincare kit, which I'm extremely hyped to try. So let's just get right into it. Obviously the facial wash first. It smells like something I use. It smells like, I don't know, I can't. It smells good. Oh, it smells like charcoal or bamboo. Feels invigorating. Had to do probably about 6 or 7 pumps from the actual pump container. There isn't a suggested pump quantity, but I did the amount that I felt was appropriate to get a nice foamy lather. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash it off now. Okay, I'm feeling very refreshed and I'm gonna jump straight into using the toner. So just as most toners, after cleansing, moisten a cotton pad with the toner, apply to face, avoiding the immediate eye area. Let's go straight in. Smells so good. It smells like baby powder. Oh my god, it smells amazing. It smells like baby powder. Okay, with the face wash and the toner, I'm not like seeing a drastic change. Obviously, this is my first time using it. I do like how charcoaly this smells, the actual wash. And the toner smells really great. It smells like baby wash. I'm just gonna jump straight into the moisturizer. The moisturizer says apply to entire face after cleansing and toner. I personally love how simple the directions are. This is formulated for men of color, and sometimes we have a lot going on. Ain't nobody got time to be running around reading all this instructions. Do this for 12 minutes. Do this, sit in the sun, fold this back, do this, do this. This is an easy 1, 2, 3, hello. Keep it going, keep it simple. Once it runs out, just restock it. I wish, if I had my own brand, which one day I will, I wish they made it so that way after like, let's just say 15 to 27 days, that it would be a refresh email sent out like say, hey, you're on day this of your product, are you ready to pre-purchase? So that way it's already on reorder. Because one thing I hate running out is skincare products. If I have a favorite line or something I enjoy using, I hate running out of it. I feel like it should always be in a flow. But that's also where coupons come in. You throw a coupon at me, I'll get 2. I'll never run out. But let's just jump into this moisturizer. I will say not much product comes out of this pump, so you probably don't need that much. I'm just overdoing it, but let's go ahead and, okay, not really a smell, which is good for me, I don't care. Okay. Extremely smooth going on, not much of a smell. I know some men don't like smells. It's not tacky, so that feels good. I don't know. I just feel like that was just so easy. That was simple, fast, quick. It wasn't much to do. Nothing is irritating, itchy, or burning. It doesn't feel tacky. So I'm all for it. I usually finish, no matter what products I use, with a spray. So I'm going to go ahead and use my Mario spray on one side, and I'll use my toner on one side.
Let's go ahead and use the toner.
Okay, well, that's pretty strong. Alright, so again, that was super easy. It also came with a little skincare set kit, and I also got a thank you card in the package as well for the purchase. I'm extremely excited to see how this works from this day forth. Hopefully it's something that does a pretty great job for my skin. And again, it was super easy. Just a cleanser, a toner, and a moisturizer, and you're good to go. Perfect combination for a guy, especially men of color. We have a lot to do sometimes, so that was super easy. So you guys stay tuned, and I'm gonna give you a like 2-week update on using these products and how I really feel about it. I do wish that this was more product pumping out, but I'll give it a few weeks and we can go from there. As always, guys, if this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on the little post notifications so that way whenever I post a video, you guys are notified about it. If you're returning, go ahead and drop a comment, show some love, and as always, I'm out until next time.